Many companies keep their AI successes under the wraps, not wanting to show their plans to competitors. Today, I'm going to show game-changing AI applications within 5 famous companies, not tech giants or AI startups, but regular businesses. You will see how they use AI to boost profit, work smarter, and create wonderful products. We will explore how Moderna use AI to do the work of 100,000 person company with just few thousand people. How Klarna is use AI to handle 2.3 million conversations in customer service. How Verizon use AI to predict the reason of a call based on past clients' needs. How Duolingo use AI to personalize lessons and run tests, and many more use cases. I want to inspire you by showing concrete examples of how AI is creating real, tangible value across diverse sectors. Almost all these companies are leveraging OpenAI models to drive innovations and boost growth. But remember, this is just a tip of the iceberg. There is a whole world of AI solutions out there, from open source projects to commercial offerings, each with its own unique strengths. And let's start from Klarna, the fintech company that uses AI to revolutionize shopping and customer service. Klarna is a fintech company that provides payment processing services for e-commerce industry, managing store claims and customer payments. Klarna is using AI to improve personal shopping, customer services, and employee productivity. Imagine asking AI a sneaker recommendation under $100. That's exactly what Klarna's AI shopping assistant does. But that's just a tip of the iceberg. Klarna's AI assistant is capable to manage diverse tasks, from multilingual customer services to managing refunds and returns. Within a few months of being live, this assistant reached perfect results. The AI assistant handled 2.3 million conversations. It's 70% of all conversations in customer service that Klarna company had. It's doing the equivalent of the work of 100 full-time agents. It's on par with a human agents in terms of customer satisfaction score. Sometimes it's even more accurate than human agents, leading to 25% drop in repeat inquiries. Customers now resolve their issues in just 2 minutes compared to 11 minutes previously. And now this assistant is available in 23 markets, 24/7, and communicates in more than 35 languages. And it estimates to drive a $40 million improvements to Klarna in 2024. I think these numbers are crazy. And what about AI adoption in company? Teams across the company, from communications to legal departments, are seeing adoption rates over 85%. And 90% of Klarna's staff are using AI daily. And what is their recipe of AI success? I think I will quote their CEO. We push everyone to test, and explore. As Klarna continues to discover applications for OpenAI stack, there is the potential to take the business to new heights. We are aimed at achieving a new level of employee empowerment, enhancing both our team's performance and the customer experience. So, we saw amazing results how Klarna is using AI to boost their innovations and growth. Any company can do the same for their customer services department and apply AI to different tasks and get the same level of AI adoption. Now let's talk about Moderna, the same company that brought us COVID vaccine. But they are also AI pioneers. In 2023, Moderna is partnered with OpenAI company to deploy ChatGPT Enterprise across their entire company. Their goal? They wanted to get 100% of AI adoptions for all employees just in 6 months. Ambitious much. In result, they've developed a specific AI solutions for different departments. For a clinical research team, they've created AI-powered assistant called DoseID. What this assistant can do? It helps analyze large amount of data from different clinical research. It also can create a visual charts to help understand the data better. It also assists in choosing the best vaccine dose, applying the standard criteria. It acts like a smart assistant for a clinical study team. And what is important, it doesn't replace a human judgment, but only enhance and support it. The team can ask this DOS ID assistant different questions about data, and it gives them an opportunity to look at data from different angles. And this assistant speeds up a lot of operations in a clinical research team and help to get a better results in different operations. The next team is legal team. The legal team use AI to summarize different documents quickly and more clearly. Also, it helps employees to get quick answers about internal policy or answers about different documents that they had in their systems. So we can see that there is an opportunity for any company creating their custom chatbots that can make a quick search through different documents collections. These chatbots can quickly retrieve and synthesize relevant information for you based on your specific requests and delivering results in your preferred format just in seconds. Their brand and communication team is also using AI. They use AI to prepare slides for presentations for diverse audience. For general public, for regulators, for doctors, everyone needs to have their kind of own terminology and explanation. Also, they employ AI to convert complex biotech terminology into more understandable languages for investors and for other audience. Using AI, Moderna gets a lot of benefits for their company. The most obvious, first of all, it's speed. It can analyze large amount of different data much faster than humans alone. Also, they get more efficiency. The team can do more work in less time. Also, they get improvements in accuracy. Now, it helps ensure the analysis follows standard guidelines. And what we can see here, humans are still in charge. The AI is tool to help, not to make final decision. In simpler terms, Moderna just get a super smart and super fast assistant that can crunch numbers, spot patterns, and present information clearly. This helps human experts make better decisions more quickly, which could lead to faster and safer clinical development. And the company's results are beyond expectations, because within just 2 months of ChatGPT enterprise adoption, they get fantastic results. Moderna had 750 GPTs across the company. They also get 40% of weekly active users created GPTs. Each user has 120 conversations with AI per week. And what is GPTs? GPTs are custom version of ChatGPT that user can tailor to their specific tasks and needs by combining instructions, knowledge, and capabilities. So we can see that Moderna is definitely reached a wonderful result in AI adoption. And here is how they did it. First of all, they created a team of dedicated AI experts. Also, they made a lot of training and educations. They did a lot of educations. They mixed in-person training with online workshops, and they even used AI to teach AI. Also, they held an AI prompt contest to find their 100 AI-powered users. Alongside with this, they created an internal AI forum, 2,000 active weekly participants. Amazing! And finally, they got the big bosses on the board to create AI-friendly culture. And next in our list is Verizon company. Verizon is the world's second largest telecommunication company. Verizon's AI journey started several years ago. They began by building internal AI tools to identify patterns in business calls. These tools ensured the agents followed up with clients, improving problem resolutions and customer satisfaction. And current AI Verizon's strategy are focused on 3 main areas. First, speeding up internal processes, including customer service. Second is enhancing products with AI technologies. And also they are not just rushing into AI, they are doing it responsibly. They have created their AI council with executives from various departments to mitigate different risks. They have also released the AI principles to make sure responsible use of AI. And here is several use cases how Verizon is using AI now. First, they made quick information retrieval. AI pulls up customer history, including their devices, services, and past interactions. Also, they developed AI solutions that predicts a reason of a call based on past clients' needs. And AI offers the best suggestions how to resolve this issue. They also do call summaries. It automatically summarizes calls, the tasks that previously done manually. So you can imagine how much time they really saving using AI. They use AI for different action tracking, for example, like callbacks. Their result? Agents can now anticipate the reason for a customer's call 80% of the time. And they are about 90% accurate in recommending resolutions. New agents are finishing their training quicker, and overall there are reduced call center challenges and improved productivity. And also, Verizon is looking at AI for hyper-personalization. As their chief technology officer solution said, what generative AI will allow us to do is operate at scale, but view each caller as a segment of one. So we can imagine what hyper-personalization is awaiting for us. The next case is about Oscar Health Company. It's an American health insurance company with more than 2,000 employees. And Oscar brings AI to health insurance, reducing costs and improving patient care. They had a lot of use cases, but we will review several ones. The first use case, how they use AI, is for claim processing. Understanding the life story of claim is incredibly complex work. When a doctor had a question about a claim, Oscar teams must navigate a detailed log of every decision made throughout a claims processing journey. With AI, Oscar team is built AI assistant that navigates the claim efficiently and fully automated the processes of answering questions about patients' claims. The claim assistant has reduced the time to resolve escalation by 50% with accuracy on par or better than human agents. They also use AI for medical record analysis. Medical records are usually contain a critical patient information and are used across the whole healthcare ecosystem, but they are usually written in highly unstructured and messy natural language. For patients with most complex health situations, they can be as long as 500 pages, and finding relevant information in a medical records is like finding a needle in the haystack. Their AI systems allow them to find relevant information much faster, more accurate and easier for different insurance claims. Also, summarizing records to prepare providers for patient encounters. Also, they made analysis multiple records to identify patient is suitable for specific treatments. They are also using AI for different tasks in clinical documentation. Documenting a single conversation between a patient and medical team can take around 20 minutes for human. With AI, Oscar has cut time spent documenting medical care conversations and reviewing lab test results by nearly 40%. And Oscar isn't just using AI, they are building their entire company around AI technology now. They have created a centralized AI pod to guide other teams in applying AI. They are leading a coalition of 37 major healthcare players to develop ethical AI use principles. As their chief technology officer said, we don't just want to nibble around the edges to administrative use case simplification. We should aspire to use these models to help solve a clinical issue with your doctor. So we can see Oscar Health has a lot of AI applications and they are not going to stop on it. The next one is Duolingo. Duolingo is a huge technology education company that produces learning apps and providing language certifications. They are using AI to revolutionize language learning for over 50 million monthly active users. Duolingo has using AI for a while to personalize lessons and run tests, but they hit a wall when it's coming to giving learners crucial real conversation practice and feedback. Duolingo uses AI to create wonderful two features. First one is role play. It's an AI conversation partner. It's like having a native speaker just in your pocket, ready ready to chat about everything from mountains to basketball to anything you want. We are not talking about old boring scripts. This AI can go deep in any topic. And the second feature is wonderful feature. It's called Explain My Answer. You made a mistake, you just click the button and AI solution explain it for you. No more head scratching over the complex grammar rules. And a personal story, my boyfriend is learning German language now and he uses ChatGPT to help explain a tricky grammar rules. And he says sometimes ChatGPT explain him these rules even better than his teacher. What interesting, a product manager of Duolingo said. We wanted AI-powered features that were deeply integrated into the app and leverage the gamified aspect of Duolingo that our learners love. So we can see Duolingo is developing a lot of different AI features into their educational applications, and they are also not going to stop on it. So what does all this mean? AI is not just coming, it's already here. And it's already changing the game across the industries. AI is already delivering a tangible business value. The question is not whether AI will impact your industry. It's how soon and how dramatically. And are you ready for AI revolution in your industry? Remember, this is just the beginning. If this is what companies are doing with AI now, can you imagine what next? The future is looking pretty exciting. Stay curious, stay innovative, and who knows? Maybe your company will be the next AI success story we are talking about.